Hello guys, welcome to this channel. We have a Skyloong SK64S mechanical keyboard here, which is 60% hot swappable keys, and this one comes with a gator and blue switch. You can also have red or yellow, I guess. And so initially it does not come with backlit keycaps, so I just replaced the stock keycaps with Hyper X Pudding Keycaps, which comes in like a 108 of pack. So I just wanted to share about the compatibility of this keycap with this keyboard. So as you can see on this left shift key here, it does not like fit here, so I had to use the numpad 0, and also the right shift key does not fit as well as the menu key and the function key here. So I had to like use numpad keys for all 4 of these. But the best thing is that the pack is of like 108 keys, so you will always have some extra keys that you can use as a replacement if a specific one does not fit for you. So yeah, it's true that it does look a bit weird around these parts and also the shift ones, but still overall the keyboard looks pretty good and the feel is pretty good. And let me just give you a sound test quick. Yep, that's it. And yeah, so in total the keyboard costs around like 64 USD and the keycap costs around 35 USD at max, I think. So I think you're gonna get this setup for around 100 bucks, and I think it's totally worth it. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.